Good.
Okay, today we're gonna show how to replace a stem in a gate valve. If the nut gets broken off or something, you can replace the stem. First thing you do is take the nut out of the operating nut. Take the operating nut off. I like to put the nut back in so I don't lose it. And then next, you take your wrenches and you take your nuts off the sides. And then at that point, this cover will come off. And then this is reverse thread, so it's righty-loosey. Take it off, take it out. And then you would take the new one, you would clean the gasket, make sure the gasket's nice and clean. And then you take it, the new one, put it back in, and go left to tighten it down. Just till it's snug. And then you take your cap, put your cap back on it. Replace your nuts. And take your nut out of the operating nut. Put the operating nut back on, tighten everything down, and then go through and make sure that everything's snug. You don't need to be germ version, you just need to be tight. And that's how you change one. It's that simple.